Ingredients for Khoya and milk mixture: 2 bread slices, half cup Khoya, 1 cup milk. For preparing Khoya mixture: 1 liter milk, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, half cup cream, 4 tablespoon dry milk powder, 3/4 cup condensed milk. Ingredients for strawberry Kulfi: 3 to 4 drops strawberry essence, 1 tablespoon strawberry chunks, 1 teaspoon red food color. Ingredients for Badami Kulfi: 1 teaspoon almonds crushed, 1 teaspoon pistachios crushed. Instructions for Khoya and milk mixture: Step 1. First of all, divide the bread slices into small pieces and put them into glass, then add Khoya and 1 cup milk, then mix well with the help of a hand blender. Khoya mixture is ready. Step 2. Add 1 liter milk in a cooking pan. Let it boil. Then add cardamom powder, cream, dry milk powder. Mix well and cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Step 3. Now add Khoya mixture, which we have prepared in first step, in this milk. Also add condensed milk. Keep stirring well until it became thick. Milk mixture is ready. Step 4. Now divide this thick milk mixture into 2 different bowls, having same size. Instructions for strawberry Kulfi. Step 1. Add strawberry essence, 3 to 4 drops, strawberry chunks, red food color in 1 bowl. And mix well with the help of a spoon. Instructions for Badami Kulfi. Step 1. Add crushed almonds, pistachios, in another bowl and mix well. Mixture is ready for Badami Kulfi. Step 2. Pour this mixture into ice cream scoop. Put wooden ice cream spoon in this mixture, then freeze it for 6 to 8 hours. Badami Kulfi and strawberry Kulfi is ready to serve.